lovelies, and welcome to my channel All Things Yazz. And if you haven't been here before, hi, I'm Yazz. I create videos both on fashion and beauty. Today's video I'm doing my very first unboxing of a designer handbag and a designer pair of shoes. So please don't watch this video. Like, comment and subscribe. It honestly means the world to me, and don't forget to ring that bell. If you like luxury fashion and designer items, then I think you'll really like it here. So please subscribe and let's get to it. Hope you enjoy the video. So before we start, I bought both of these items inspired for the spring-summer season because I wanted to get a lot of use out of them straight away. I haven't opened the shoes just because I wanted to get my first reaction on camera for you guys. I did have to open the handbag though, but I will let you know why I did that when we get to the handbag. So let's get started. Oh, here's the box. Here we are. Oh, so you can guess it's from Italy. So actually, why don't you comment down below what designer shoe or what type of shoe I have bought. You done it? Almost? You done it. Okay, great. Let's get into it. I'll just get my knife and cut it into it. So here we go, guys. Let's open this up. Oh, and before I show you, I'm just dragging this out a little bit longer. I bought the pair of shoes from Farfetch. They were in the sale, I think, but they also have the new season style shoes. You can get 10% off, but I think they're doing an extra 30% now. So I will leave that all linked down below in the description box if you want to bag yourself these babies for a discounted price. So here we go. Oh, I'm guessing you don't know. Oh, I'm guessing you don't know what they are from this box. If you do, well done, well done. Let's open this up. Oh my god, they're lovely. They're lovely, guys. I got the Castaner 80 Carina wedge. Espadrille wedge with the pink cotton and the beige wrap tie. Oh, these are so beautiful, and they look very much the same online as well, because I've had a bit of unluckiness, I would say, with that, but I'll tell you why when I get to the bag. Oh, I absolutely love these. They're beautiful. I can't remember who I saw them on, but I saw these on Instagram, and I saw them, and I think she was wearing a lovely dress, like a nice flowy white dress, and these with the tie up the ankle, and I thought they looked so beautiful. They're so elegant and chic. I think they, because of the wrap tie, they add a bit of girliness to them. I got them in pink, but you can get them in a lot of different colours and styles. So I'm just going to quickly try them on, and I'll show you a little clip now. So I've just tried these on, and oh my goodness, the sole is like so cushiony and like spongy that they're so comfortable. I think if you watched my previous video, if you haven't, I'll leave a link up above. I said that my favourite wedge was the Delaney Jimmy Choo wedge in tan leather. They are so much higher than these, so already I know that these Castaner shoes are going to be very high up there because they're only 80. They're so easy to walk in. They're so comfortable because of the wrap tie. It gives a bit of support for your ankle, I think, and they're not tight across the toes. They are very true to size. So yeah, what an amazing designer wedge. I think I'll be getting a lot of use out of these. I'm going on holiday in a couple of weeks, so I can't wait to wear them then. And I do love the way they are woven. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. But I love them. So yeah, let me know what you think about these shoes down below. Okay guys, now for the bag. Now a quick story for the bag. I was looking for like a summer kind of bag. I wanted the, you know, the Gucci Disco Soho bag that I mentioned in my top 3 designer bags, that I wanted it in beige. I found it in beige, and then I was like, do I get the same bag twice? Is that just weird? Do I get it twice in different colours? And I saw it and I thought it is lovely, but then I thought, you know what, just wait, see, you might find something better. So then I found the Chloe Test bag in this beautiful sunflower colour. I ordered it, it came, and I was so disappointed, guys. It was just not the right colour at all. It was almost like a really white yellow, like it looked like it'd been in the storefront and it got like, you know, discoloured. And I was so annoyed because I love the shape of the Chloe test bag, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to send it back. I'm not going to buy it again because I don't know, I was so disheartened. I was like, oh, I'm so annoyed. And then my mum actually said, go on Net-a-Porter, have a look at these bags, and she picked a few out and sent them to me. I was like, oh, yay. And I found this one, but then because I was so disheartened by the Chloe test bag, I was like, well, I like both colours in this bag. It came in 4 colours and I really liked 2. And I was looking at both of them and I was like, well, it could be a dirty colour, it could be a really light colour from what's being pictured. I didn't know, so I bought both of them. And thinking about it now, I wish I'd shown you both, but my mum bought them for me because she had a 15% discount because she's been purchasing from Net-a-Porter for a long time. So I've transferred the money, so I have bought them, bought the bag. But yeah, so she sent that one back immediately. Sorry, so I wish I had been able to show you them. So that's why it's not in a box. So here we go. It's in here, guys. Are you ready? It is the Bottega Veneta, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, Nodini bag, crossbody bag, and I love it. It's in this beautiful, they call it neutral, but it's like a really light, maybe pressed rose colour, which is really on trend at the moment. And yeah, so this is why I've opened it, because I wanted to make sure I got the right colour and that I really love it. Now, for those of you who don't know anything about Bottega Veneta, their signature is this woven leather detail, and it is beautiful woven Napa leather, and I love it. The differences on this bag, it has like little knots here, which I quite like. It's got two little zips here that open up. Let's get all the packaging out. Oh God, Jesus, they pack this in here, don't they? And it's got, oh goodness, it's got this most beautiful, beautiful suede lining. It has one zip at the back. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can, yeah. One zip at the back with some of the certifications in there. And then it has one really large pocket. Let's have a look. Let's see. Test. Oh my God, it fits. So it has a really large pocket. I'm not sure if you can see that. That my iPhone 8 Plus actually fits in like perfectly. Well, that is a first. That is honestly a first. And I love this strap. It's perfect. It's beautiful. I like that you can alter the strap just a little bit, but it is essentially a cross-bodied bag. Yeah, you just undo this, and then, well, you could even take that off and like maybe tie it around your waist if you wanted to, like here, maybe on your hip. You can't really see that, but yeah, you can make it slightly tighter, so I might do that just because I have a small torso, so I don't want anything making me look really small. So yeah, that'll sit right. That is the most beautiful bag. It's the most beautiful bag, and I can't believe they have a pocket that fits perfectly. The only thing I would probably watch is, because it's woven, and probably might get a little bit of wear in the corners, but other than that, I think it'll be really lovely. It's a slight grained leather as well, although I think you might be able to see some scratches. I'm gonna have to look at some denim transfer and be careful of that as well. But this is the most stunning bag, and I will show you some clips of me wearing it and how I would style it. So yeah, an Adini bag. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. I've got a lot of things coming for you. I've got a little experiment up my sleeve, which I think that'll be really fun and a little bit different. And then I've got a little haul coming, a haul and try on. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. You know where it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.